Hey multimedia, Mr. Campbell here. I want to show you how to do the first exercise on making the title page, and you're going to use this because you're going to write a report about game design history. And Campbell has only two L's in it, not three. Let me fix that. Okay, so this is what it should look like when you're done. Some kind of a title at the top, a sample title. Here's my title, something, and then your name goes below it. Now, the thing that makes this unique and makes it center on the page is the fact that there's been a title, um, a line spacing applied here. So instead of pressing enter a whole bunch of times, what you wind up using, let me open up my menu, is you wind up using format and line spacing. So once you have this line spacing open, you're going to go custom spacing, and you want to apply a before of 250. So let's make a fresh one. Can I do that from here? Sure I can. So new document, and if we just enter the stuff at the top, I can say my sample title page, and I can say by my name. Now, right now, those both have normal text styling. What we want to do is take this one and say, let's set that to title. Now, it still doesn't look like it's positioned properly, etc., etc. Let's set this one to subtitle, just for fun. So now I've got those two pieces. Now, we do want to center them, and we do want to apply something else and change the styling. So anytime we use this, it does what we want it to do automatically. So if I select this title section, and then I choose format, and I choose line spacing, and then I choose custom spacing right here, it opens this up. Now this is a very quick operation. Line spacing is already set to 1.15. That's default. But if we set the before value to 250, which seems to me like a huge number, and so it's not spaces, it's like, if you think about 12-point type, that means there's 12 points per line. So this is like, I don't know how many lines that is, but if we're using 12-point font, then that's a bunch of lines. And so after we don't even worry about, say, apply. So now it's moved down the page. Now what it's not doing is it's not centered. Let's take both pieces and center them both. So if I can't see it right now, I'm too zoomed in. There's my centering. And I can even take the top section and make it bold. Okay. Now a lot of times your teachers may want you to set this to a 12-point title. So do what your teachers say, or what your styling should say for your assignments. But it looks like smaller than 12. It's 12. Okay, so it's good. So now what I can do is I'm going to go ahead and make this 14. But normally I think 12 is pretty typical. When I was in grad school, all my title pages didn't have any fancy huge titles on them. So now this one is subtitle. So they're set like this, and they're both centered. So what I'm going to do is right click on this and choose, somewhere in here, update subtitle to match. So every time I use subtitle, it's going to do exactly that formatting instead of what the default is. So now I'm going to select this and do the same thing. So I'm going to update title to match. So every time I use title, it's going to use this. Now the benefit here is that if you make a title page and then import its contents into another document, it should bring the styling with it so that you can easily get the job done. Now again, the goal here is that we have your title centered, and let me close that up. If I zoom out a little bit, it may show me the document better. So there you can see that it's centered on the page. Looks good. It's pretty much exactitude in the middle, and that works. And that's how you set it up. That's how it works. And if you're going to share this, I think it should already be set up, but you're going to turn on the URL, I think, to this by using the share link. So if I choose share and name before you share it, let's just go and save that. So we choose get shareable link copy to the clipboard, and then you can turn that link into the assignment. There you have it. I will see you soon. Peace out.